Dear children, today I will teach you lesson second in history, socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. रशियन रिवॉल्यूशन के बारे में पढ़ाएंगे। जिसमें सिलेबस है सिलेबस के अंदर आप देखेंगे द एज ऑफ सोशल चेंज, इंडस्ट्रियल सोसाइटी एंड सोशल चेंज, द एडवेंट ऑफ सोशलिज्म इन यूरोप, रशियन रेवोल्यूशन, द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर एंड रशियन एम्पायर, the February Revolution in Petrograd, impact of the October Revolution, the global influence of Russian Revolution and the USSR. First, overview. Look at page number 28. ओवरव्यू में कह रहे हैं यू विल रीड, आप पढ़ेंगे क्या, अबाउट द कमिंग ऑफ सोशलिज्म इन यूरोप, यूरोप में समाजवाद कैसे आया विषय में पढ़ेंगे, एंड द ड्रामेटिक इवेंट्स दैट फोर्स द रूलिंग मोनार्च। जार निकोलस सेकंड, रूस में राजाओं को जार बोला जाता है। जार की स्पेलिंग टी से है, टी साइलेंट है, TSAR, जार निकोलस सेकेंड, टू गिव अप हिज पावर। द रशियन रेवोल्यूशन स्टार्ट टू चेंज द कंटेम्प्रेरी सोसाइटी इन अ डिफरेंट वे। इट रेज्ड द क्वेश्चन ऑफ इकोनॉमिक इक्वालिटी एंड द वेल-बीइंग ऑफ द वर्कर्स and the peasants. The chapter will tell you about the change that were initiated by the new Soviet government, the problems it faced and the measures it undertook while Soviet Russia pushed ahead with industrialization and mechanization of agriculture. It denied the right of citizens and was essential to the working of a democratic society. The ideas of socialism, however, become a part of the anti-colony movements in different countries. Today, the Soviet Union is broken up and the socialism is in crisis. But through the 20th century, it has been powerful force in shaping of the contemporary world. Now, the age of social change. The French Revolution opened the possibility of creating a dramatic change in the way in which society was structured. As you have read, before the advent of 18th century, the society was broadly divided into state and orders, and it was the aristocracy and the church which controlled economic and social power. Suddenly, after the revolution, it seemed possible to bring a change in this in many parts of the world, including Europe and Asia. New ideas about individual rights and who controlled social power began to be discussed. In India, Raja Ram Mohan Rai and Desrosiers talked of the significance of the French Revolution, and many others debated the idea of post-revolutionary Europe, the developments in the colonies in turn reshaped these ideas of सोसाइटल चेंज, सोशल चेंज होना चाहिए। यूरोप इन हाउएवर इन यूरोप everyone did not want to complete transformation of society. Some accept that some change was necessary but wished for gradual shift, while some other wanted to restructure the society radically. Some were conservative, other liberal or radical. Here it is essential to understand these terms. What did these terms really mean in a context of the time? What separated these strands of politics and what linked them together? Liberal, radical and conservative. Who were? कौन थे? Liberal, radical and conservative. Liberals, one of the groups which looked for a change in society was the liberals. जो समाज में परिवर्तन चाहते थे वो लिबरल कह रहा है। क्रांतिकारी यहाँ 3 प्रकार के हैं यहाँ रशियन रिवॉल्यूशन में, तो यहाँ लिबरल, रैडिकल और कंजर्वेटिव। तो लिबरल जो है समाज में चेंज परिवर्तन चाहते थे, और किस प्रकार से देखिए, दे वांटेड ए नेशन विच supported all religions in 19th and 20th century. European states generally discriminated in favor of one religion or the other. Austria and Spain favored the Catholic Church, while Britain favored the Church of England. They opposed in unrestricted absolute power of monarchs as well. They favored religious tolerance. They wanted to safeguard the individual rights against government. They urged for respective, representative and elect parliamentary government. They favored a well-trained judiciary that was dependent on rulers and officials. They did not favor universal adult franchise, the right of every citizen to vote. They wanted voting right to be given only to men and not to women. अभी इस प्रकार से लिबरल वाले इस बात चाहते थे कि रिप्रेजेंटेटिव का प्रतिनिधियों वाला शासन हो और जुडिशरी कैसी हो, वेल ट्रेंड हो और सभी धर्मों का सम्मान हो, ऐसा बताया गया है। रैडिकल क्या चाहते थे? पहले बार हु और रैडिकल कौन थे ये तो इसमें स्पष्ट नहीं लिखा गया, लेकिन इसको पढ़ने से स्पष्ट हो जाएगा। दे सपोर्टेड वीमेंस राइट, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड द वेरियस सफरेजिस्ट मूवमेंट्स। अब ये लोग वो चाहते थे जो महिलाओं को भी अधिकार देना चाहते थे, ऐसे लोग थे। दे वांटेड टू नेशन which government was based on majority of the country population, और ये भी मेजॉरिटी क्या था, बहुमत वाली सरकार चाहते थे। They opposed the privilege of wealthy land owners and factory owners, ये लैंड ओनर्स का, फैक्ट्री मालिकों का विरोध करते थे। They were not against the extent of private property, लेकिन ये व्यक्तिगत प्रॉपर्टी के विरोधी नहीं थे, बट oppose the concentration of it in the hands of few people. ये प्रॉपर्टी के विरोधी नहीं थे, लेकिन कुछ व्यक्तियों के हाथों में प्रॉपर्टी होने के कारण इसका विरोध कर रहे थे। अर्थात समाज में सभी का अधिकार होना चाहिए, सबको पार्टी में अधिकार मिलना चाहिए। इस प्रकार से इसके व्यवहार में ये भी परिवर्तन के पक्ष में थे, लेकिन पूर्ण रूप से नहीं कहा जा सकता। Conservative. In 18th century, the conservative had been generally opposed the idea of change. अब ये बिल्कुल ही नहीं चेंज चाहते थे, अर्थात ये रूढ़िवादी थे। एक ऐसे लोग जो चेंज चाहते थे, एक ऐसे लोग थे जो चेंज नहीं चाहते थे, वो कंजर्वेटिव कहलाए, और जो चेंज भी चाहते थे और पुरानी प्रथा को बनाए भी रखना चाहते थे वो रैडिकल कहलाए। तो यहाँ रेवोल्यूशनकारियों में जो पीपुल्स में जो क्रांति किया वो 3 प्रकार के थे रूट्स में। कौन? लिबरल्स, रेडिकल और कंजर्वेटिव। तो इस तरह से यहाँ पर है कंजर्वेटिव में। फिर देखें, आफ्टर द फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन दे फेल्ट द नीड फॉर चेंज। बाय द 19th century they accepted that some change was necessary but the past had to be respected। अब देखिए, रिस्पेक्टेड भी कहा, पास्ट हैड टू रिस्पेक्टेड, मतलब चेंज चाहते थे लेकिन किसके बाद? आफ्टर फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन के बाद। लेकिन पुरानी प्रथाओं को भी बनाए रखना चाहते, सम्मान देना चाहते थे। अब इंडस्ट्रियल सोसाइटी एंड सोशल चेंज, दीज पॉलिटिकल ट्रेंड्स indicated a new time. It was time of profound social and economic change. New cities were coming up, new industrialized regions developed and railways expanded. The Industrial Revolution occurred. It brought men, women and children to factories. However, still the problem of unemployment was common. People were forced to accept long working hours and poor wages. With the urbanization, the housing and sanitation problems were growing. Outlooks of nationalist, liberal and radical. Almost all industries were privately owned. However, many of the liberals and radicals and their own property as well as were employers. They had earned their wealth through industrial venture or trade. They believed that the benefit could be achieved if the workforce in the economy was healthy and the citizens were educated. They had faith in value of individual effort, labor and enterprise. Some of them wanted revolutionaries to put an end to the king of government. Exciting in Europe in 1815. In France, Italy, Germany and Russia, they become revolutionaries and worked to overthrow the existing monarchs. They talk of the revolution that would create a nation where all citizens would have equal rights. After 1815, Giuseppe Mazzini, an Italian nationalist, designed for Italy where all citizens would have equal rights. His writing greatly inspired the nationalists in other countries including India. Now the advent of socialism in Europe next day.